learned how to wave today. Hi. Went to the grocery store and she was waving at everyone. Hi. Say hi. Good girl. Waving. Hi. Good girl. You're a good girl. Good girl. Waving. Hi. Hi. Yeah. And that's her new thing. She's been waving for an hour. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Nice waving. Say bye. That wasn't very nice. Bye. Bye.